I'm with Ian Howard on the Dennis SISIS stand, and it's not the first time you've been standing in a stand here at SALTEX, because you've done many shows here, haven't you?
Yeah, well, this is my 35th SALTEX that I've been to, down at Windsor, here at the NEC, so I've seen it change, seen it evolve as time's gone by. And from a company point of view, this is our 75th SALTEX, which is unbelievable. Not me personally, obviously, but as a company, we've been here for 75 years. So we've always been a keen supporter of it. It's key for us to meet existing customers, to meet new potential customers, and of course to showcase new products, new developments that we've got out there, because they are all driven and they are developed in effect by the customer. You know, we listen to the customer and then go and make it. That's what we do.
Well, I know there's only a couple of companies managed 75 years, so that's something to be very proud of. I'm 9 behind you, I've done 26. But looking back over what was a difficult period for an awful lot of people, you've discovered it was a great time of opportunity for Dennis SISIS.
That's right. Well, we concentrated very hard on our existing customers. We obviously had a drop-off in our orders at the beginning of COVID, then it picked back up again to pre-COVID levels at the end of 2020, and 2021's been absolutely meteoric with the size of order book that we've got and the turnover that we've achieved. That will be best part of 50% up on our 2020 sales, which for us as a company, it's our best year ever by a country mile. So I'm absolutely delighted with that, and very strong order book for going into 2022 as well. So
and a lot of that is driven by your battery provisions, would that be fair to say?
That's right. We've spent a lot of time and invested a lot of money on new products, and during COVID what we've done is spent time developing the whole range of small machines with this smaller battery pack that we've got, to building on the experience of the bigger 860 Premier and the rotary versions that we've got. So now everything in the Dennis portfolio has got a battery alternative, and indeed we've got new products here today that we haven't ever had before in the Dennis portfolio. Now we're busy on the SISIS. We've got the auto rotor rake with a battery option on it there, and we've got all the rest of the SISIS product that we're busy with, and again new products. So a very exciting time from a company point of view, and I can't wait to see the new products as they start to come off.
Next year is going to be a particularly significant year for Dennis SISIS, not just for the new products coming on stream, but for another reason as well.
That's right. Well, Dennis celebrates 100 years in 2022, so that's 100 years of making cylinder mowers, which we're absolutely delighted to do, and we'll be celebrating that throughout the year with customers, suppliers, and such like. So really excited with that. And SISIS is 90 years old in 2022, so we've got two celebrations almost in one. So yeah, very exciting times.
Exciting times ahead. So lovely. Thank you very much for giving you a little bit of your time today, and we look forward to seeing 2022 and beyond that.
Okay, thank you.